Welcome to this video on Feedback 360, focusing on how to generate mock tests for company or internal employees. First, navigate to the Surveys tab in Feedback 360. This is where you can manage all existing surveys and tests. To start creating a new mock test, click the drop-down menu on the top right and select Generate Assessment. You will land on the Generate Chapter Practice Test page. Enter the content for the test in the designated text box, and then click Generate Chapter Practice Test. The system will auto-generate a response for creating the questionnaire. Review the content, and then click Proceed Now to move to the next step. The system will then open ChatGPT, where the generated instructions are pasted. The instructions ask for a JSON response encompassing the practice test details and questions. Wait for ChatGPT to generate the JSON. Once the JSON is generated, click the Copied button to copy the content. Return to the Feedback 360 page. Paste the JSON generated by ChatGPT into the text box and click Process Now. The system creates the survey. Review the details and information sections to ensure everything is correct. Next, configure the mock test's settings, including time-bound, duration, and minimum score needed. You can also edit the survey introduction. Click Save when finished. To distribute the test, go to Survey Invitations and click New. On the right side, you can see a list of the questions generated. In the new survey invitation pop-up, select the user and specify whether to send email or email sent. Then, click Save to send the invitation. The invited employee can access the test by navigating to the My Pending Surveys tab. Under Pending Surveys, the new test will appear. Click on the survey name to begin. The introductory text is displayed. Click Get Started to proceed to the practice test questions. The test questions will load, with a timer displayed if it is time-bound. Select the correct answers for each question. Once all questions are answered, click Submitting to finalize the test submission. Upon submission, a confirmation message appears, thanking the employee for completing the practice test and encouraging them to review their answers. As an administrator, go back to the Survey Details page. The Survey Submissions section will now show the submission with the earned score. Clicking View All on the submission takes you to the Survey Results page, where you can see the detailed breakdown of the answers and scores for each question. This concludes the video on creating and administering mock tests using Feedback 360. If you have any further questions, please refer to the Feedback 360 documentation. Thank you for watching this instructional video. We hope this guide helps you in preparing practice tests for your internal employees. Utilizing mock tests is an effective way to assess and improve employee knowledge. Remember to follow the steps for generating and processing the JSON for accurate test creation. Ensure all mock test settings, such as time and required score, are configured correctly before distribution.